Hello friends, I am Satyendra Verma. You are learning with Satyendra. Today I am going to tell you in this video what is advantage of spoken English. Many people told this language is not used for me. This language have no advantage. Why I learn this language? So I want to tell you this language have lot of advantage in student life, in starting life to professional life, in every situation, in every life, in childhood, student life, and I think in life of every stage this language is very need for the people who people is now 60 years old, the people also learning the English, and who people is are 10 years old, the people is also learning the English. So why the people is telling this language is not need for the everybody? I think who people is doing farming, the people also learning this language. Who people is doing study, the people are also learning this language. And who people is working, the people is also learning this language. And who people doing nothing, they are just sitting on the home, the people also learning the language. So why they learning? Because they know very well about this language, about this language to advantage. Because if the people have a good knowledge about the English, so they people can do everything, they people can read everything, they people can understand everything. So that's why this language is very neat. And who people have a wrong understanding, this language is not for the everybody. So I think they improve the thought and just start this language to learn. Because nowadays this language have lot of craze. Because people says na, first impression is the last impression. If the people have good knowledge about this language, so when the people is speak of the body in English language, so I think impression is good. So for personality development, this language is need, this language is required of the people. And how is it helpful in a student life? I think when the people is doing study, that time this language is need. Because if the people completion the study, then after each people is go for the job, so mostly time the interviewer ask the question in a English language, not any local language. Why? Because our India have a lot of diversity. Every state have a every language, every food, every culture. So not a possible to ask the question in Hindi or any local language. So only one language are there. This language name is English. Interviewer just ask the question only English language. Sometime what happened, people have a good knowledge, people have a good skills, but they not able to crack the exam, but not able to crack the interview due to language. So that's why these languages have a lot of advantage in a student life. And every student need this language, otherwise people can miss the job. And in lower study this is a manageable, people can manage in how way. But in higher study this is a not a manageable. Because in higher study this language is very need, English language is very need. If the people have good knowledge about this language, the people can capture the content, capture the things, otherwise not a possible to understand proper. Because in higher study the books are in English language, the writer is write the books in a good way. So I think in a student life this language is very need more and more. And in professional life is also this language is very need for communication purpose. If the people have good knowledge about this language, the people have eligibility to speak this language, the people can make maintain the com- communication in a good way regarding this language. Otherwise not a possible to communicate, to deliver the thought. Sometime what happened, people is not join the job due to other state, due to other culture, due to language. People just thinking this is other. Take example, if the many people is belong from UP, and they people if have a chance to join a job other state like that, in Maharashtra or any South Indian state, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and like that, and Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. So they people just thinking yaar my English is not good, but in South India people have good knowledge about this language. So how is possible to communicate the thought? This is just difficult for me to join this company or that job. If the people is ready before, so I think the people not think about this when the people is have a chance to join the job. So that's why learn this language, maintain this consistency, and get the fluency, then is possible to make the sentence and make the communication. Otherwise, if the people is get any job, the people feel a regret. Because I think this language is not a more hard, not a more difficult. If the people is have a patience, the people can learn this language, no doubt about it. Means every profession this language is need. Who people are businessmen, the people doing something, some business, this language is also need. Because if the businessmen have a good idea, have a good communication, the people is maintain the communication. Because in the business, communication is very neat. If the people is deliver the thought properly one body to another body, so this is a good. Otherwise, how is it possible to do business? In business line, language, behavior, everything is very neat. Because business have a good relation of the behavior, communication, language, knowledge, skills. So that's why this is a need for the businessman, and in every profession is also. And some people are very fond of this language. They're doing nothing but just they have fond to learn this language, to speak this language. Because the people know very well if they communicate in this language, definitely their impression is good. So that's why don't think I am doing nothing, so why will I learn? You learn. Because when you go others outside, if you chance to go, to take an example, if you go outside and this is not your culture, so how is it possible to communicate? So then if you have knowledge, so you can communicate and explore the things and share the thought, and can get the good experience like that. Okay, that's it in this video. I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.